If I came here to the copyright here, I click here to the copyright, you see, if I click here to the copyright, you see all these videos are people, they take my videos. You see all these channels, they take my videos. So if I'm a bad person, okay, if I'm a bad person and I'm not happy to them to take my video, I will go here straight away and I'll click here to request the video to remove. I will remove this video, then they will going to get straight away a copyright strike on their channel. One thing is that if I'm like the way I'm saying, like I don't want the person to use the content, I have to contact with the person to send email. Like I'm not writing anything, it's just only click and write here my email, some detail here. You see the channel is calling Wajuen TV. This the channel he picked that video he used in his channel. So anyone who's going to pick, so if I send an email, that he's going to get a notification like Diamond Short is not wanting you to use his videos, so leave his videos. So that's how people they can give you a copyright without nothing to accept you to get monetization for your channel. Even if you start uploading those type of content, YouTube they are going to drop your monetization, are going to get demonetized because there are no chance now YouTube they give you chance for those content. Okay, the second is to re-upload a content. Like for example, what I mean re-upload. Re-upload is like, okay, you record a video of 30 seconds or 1 minute, then you post your channel as shorts. Okay, get my point. You post that video as such, you post that video as a short content on your channel, not other channel, your channel. Then you decided again, let me take this content again to do on my channel as a restream video. Then you are going to run a restream video as a loop. That 1 minute video, you are going to run a restream video as a loop again that video, because you are not going to cheat YouTube. YouTube does so much worse than you because they know all those things and they check the content between two ways. They check through manual and they check through scan. So if any content you are going to upload, YouTube they might know what type of content it is. Then they might be quiet to you, waiting. Maybe it's gonna drop, maybe it's gonna take off, maybe it's gonna take it. If you are not going to do anything from there, then the time YouTube they are going to reject your monetization. So if you take that content you upload as a short, again you take the same content you are going to do as silent restream as a loop again for 2 hours to 3 hours, the same content, those videos on that channel is going to be no monetization on that because YouTube they are not going to see something new to monetize on your channel. Again, the other thing is you upload a video as a long video again, then you take a piece of that long video, you post it as a short video again. The same video, you take the maybe the funny place or the important where you just talk like something, then you cut that pieces, then you are going to post as a short video. Also that is going to affect your channel. You get my point? I think so. Yes, I know you are going to say yes, Diamond, we get your point. So if you are doing that, stop from now. Start doing everything as the way it is. If you are going to do short video, do short video. If you are going to do a normal video, do normal video. If you are going to do like restream video, you have to do a video of that restream, then go and do whatever you want to do on your live stream. But don't take the video you are posting as a long video again. You are going to run a restream, or you are going to do as a short video. That is the one is going to affect your channel and you are going to get a demonetized. Second thing, if you get like 3 copyrights in same time, like you get this one before it didn't expire the 3 months, then you get another one before the 3 months is to expire, then you get another one. 3 copyright in same time, then straight away your channel bye bye. They are not going to give you chance again. No more YouTube for that Gmail. It's not like not YouTube, you can't use YouTube on your channel on your phone. You can use YouTube watching someone video and something like that, but you can't do like business on YouTube, like uploading video, make money on this. Now there will be like no chance for that Gmail at all, so they will shadow ban you. Then the other thing is you have to be very careful. Those small YouTuber and they run with the loop video. If you're going to start doing loop video, please don't pick any video is funny to your channel. Any video is funny to your channel. I'm going to show you some example like now, but me, I don't want to do to anyone. Okay guys, that's why I'm showing you. It's not like I'm going to report them, and I didn't talk to them and I didn't do anything, but that's how you can report anyone you want to report him for your videos. If anyone take your video, anyone come and steal, it's like stealing. If you come and steal, even if you go to my video and you write to the comment, Diamond, can I use your video? I'll say yes or no. It's my choice. Okay, I can say yes, I can say no. It's me who decided what to say. But if you came behind me and you download my video and you're going to run as a loop video, or you're going to do whatever you want to do, some of them even they posted the same video as a short video. You see guys, so they posted those videos as a short video. Some of them they do a restream on the video, some they post on their channel as a normal video. So YouTube, they don't hide anything. You're going to get email. Even if someone mention your name, you're going to get notification from YouTube, like someone say Diamond Show. So it's you if you can report him, if you don't. So there was no point to me, and I'm not going to report anyone. Don't say like Diamond is going to report us or this stuff. No, I'm not going to report anyone. I'm not going to do that. Okay, but it's sometimes is to come with your things. It's more important than to take someone's video and go to post on your channel. Then because YouTube, what they do, like now I'm here in front of you, I'm talking to you, I'm recording my video. So when I finish editing this video, before I didn't post, it's not mine until I post to my channel. Once that video is mine, that's it. So once this video go to my channel, already they register YouTube as this content belong by Diamond Shop. Even if it's yours, once I put to my channel, is mine before I didn't post. So if anyone's already post, then I'm going to post, even it's my face, I'm going to post to my channel. That person claimed to me as a copyright, I have to go court with him. But as a normal, that video is not mine, because he's the one who got the right, and he can say like, I'm the first person who upload this video, I got this right, I got all this stuff to this is mine. But it's long process of that. So these are the way people they are getting a copyright, all this stuff. So I can say like, as a small YouTuber, I call myself as a small YouTuber, and I'm still a small YouTuber. So we have to ask the owner or to come with something like little bit makes sense, even not to go through to the loop and loop. Even you are not going to post a video, you are not going to do anything, all this stuff. Then try to post your own video, and again mix with that and talk to the person, because YouTube, when they realize like on your channel you go only this person content and you don't have even your normal video, and that person start claiming to you, they're gonna give all those content a copyright, and they are going to drop your channel, and you're going to get spam for your channel. So why are you going to kill your channel? And you need it, because it's not like you don't need your channel, you still need your channel. So be very careful, all small YouTuber as well, even me including. So I have to be very careful to whatever I'm doing, but you also be very careful to whatever you are doing. If the person is a bad person who want to report you, he can report you and he go right, because YouTube send even the time the person, September, October, November, anytime you're going to take that video of that person, even if 3 years ago, the person is going to get a notification like this and this, he used your content and he got this content in your channel, you're going to report. It's just only how you going to search by yourself. If you know how to report, then finish. It's only few minutes and some detail you need from there, that's it. Then straight away it's going to get copyright straight. So it's not something me I can tell people to do, and I don't like people to do copyright, because this straight is hard, guys. Let us say the truth. So it's better leave the person to use your content. Even if you are not happy with it, it's better to go and tell him like, stop using my content, please. That's it. Or send email to YouTube, then YouTube, they will send email to him. If he didn't take off the content, then YouTube, they might drop that video, but it's not going to get a copyright. That's how normal it is. YouTube, they will remove, but you are not going to get a copyright. That's the difference of getting straight away strike and YouTube to remove your content without not getting a copyright. So thank you very much, guys. Please if you're new to my channel, please subscribe, like and comment. See you next video. Bye bye.